Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Homemade by Palma. And if this is your first time, I'm happy to have you and I'm happy to share my recipes and what I know with you. So, welcome. And yeah, this is what we're going to be eating today. Doesn't it look beautiful? Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how I make my pancakes, my fluffy pancakes, okay? And there's some flavors in there. You'll be happy to see what we have in store. So let's dive in. Guys, for my recipe today, I'm going to be using buttermilk, and you can definitely use any milk you have at hand or any milk you're comfortable with. And you don't need to go to the store to buy buttermilk. This is how you do it. Just add half a lemon to 1/4 cup of whole milk. Swirl it and swirl it, mix it up and keep it down for some time before you actually need it. And you would have buttermilk. Okay, that's all. For our pancake mix, we are going to be using 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then we are going to mix all that up and add a pinch of salt just to balance that sweetness, okay? Just a little bit of salt, you don't need too much. And now, minutes later, this is our buttermilk, but you will really see how it looks like when I pour it into our pancake mix. And now to that, I'm going to add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and a little bit of vanilla extract, maybe about half a teaspoon. And we are gonna mix that up. And now we are going to add our buttermilk to this mix, okay? And you can see it's all kettled up. That's right, that is buttermilk. So the reason why I mainly choose buttermilk is because of that acid. The lemons we added, the acid in it, it reacts with the baking powder and it gives the pancakes that kind of lightness and tenderness to it, okay? So that's why I choose buttermilk. But hey, you can always use any milk you have at hand. And you can always tweak this recipe to suit your own taste. You can add more sugar or less sugar depending on how you want it. You can add different things to it, okay? So just play around it. And now I'm going to be adding my chocolate chip to one part of that butter and blueberries to the other part. I couldn't choose between the two flavors, so why not have them both, right? It doesn't hurt. Yeah, so we're gonna have blueberry pancakes and then chocolate chip pancakes. And make sure you don't overmix that butter, okay? You just want it to be such that the flour is all in it. You don't have to mix it too much. Now let's go ahead and fry those pancakes. And what I did was to lightly oil my pan with some oil, and I'm just going to put a good amount of pancake batter in the pan and let it fry. Oh my goodness, so that wasn't supposed to touch each other. They just wanted to get married, but that's okay, we'll just let that slide. So this is what we are looking for. Wait till all these bubbles form on top of the pancake, and that's a good time to turn it, okay, so that it doesn't get burnt. So just gently turn it. These are fragile, okay? And once that is done, you just give it a little bit more time to cook on the other side. I'm just going to lightly clean my pan with my oil tissue, and now we are going to go ahead and fry the blueberry pancakes, okay? So I clean the pan just to prevent any sticking, just to get a very clean surface to work with, okay? And yeah, I find that helpful and it helps to control the sticking in a way. And it's time to turn these as well. They have enough bubbles on the other side. Yes, so I'm trying to be very gentle with that one. It smells amazing. Yeah, pancake smells so good. Now we're gonna get these pancakes out of the pan, and yeah, they look good, so why not? You have to take it out now. And we ended up getting 4 chocolate pancakes and 3 blueberry pancakes. Guys, see what we did here? We made 7 beautiful pancakes, and I'm just dripping my homemade syrup onto these. That's gonna make it even better. I'm just gonna cut through it to show you how it looks like. There's some goodness in there. There's chocolate, there's blueberries, and it's really soft. Yes, my husband said it feels like ash foam, and it's true, it's fluffy. Okay, so guys, you need to try this recipe. And that went onto my plate. I had to get some. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see some more recipes coming up soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, y'all, and stay blessed. Stay safe.